Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to find your routing number in Cash App. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So routing number is a specific number that varies upon different accounts that has been created in Cash App. So to find your routing number, all you need to do is simply download the Cash App app and create an account. Then you need to tap the particular Cash App account by tapping in the app. So once you have tapped on the app, you will end up in this kind of interface. There you can find an option called cash balance, which will show you your cash balance, and right besides it you can find account and routing. Once you tap on it, you will end up in this kind of interface. Here you will find both your routing number as well as your account number. So simply tap on routing number to see yours. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.